pink ribbon. That's brown ribbon. And that, hey, get off my sandal! Let go. Is that one orange? I can't see. Brown and white, right there with Shane, and purple. Ouch. Off of my legs. That's red. That's pink again. Let go of my pants. That's yellow. And that's black. Red, brown, lime green. And that's turquoise ribbon. Sorry this isn't a very good video, but they are wound up this morning. And they're sopping wet from the grass being all wet.